Visit tuning in again, guys. Thank you for clicking on that video to watch. For those of you who have been here before and you keep watching my videos, you remain subscribed, thank you so much. And for those of you who are new, I thank you so much for supporting my channel. Now I have a recipe for you today. I've been wanting to film this recipe for a very long time. It is also one of our traditional dishes. I'm not going to say just right now what it is because I want you to stay tuned and see what it is. It is a 3-pound pack of something wonderful. Stay tuned. Now I have it right here and I am going to unveil it right now. Can you guess yet what it is? Yeah, not sure if you can see it. I hope you can, but it is goat meat. Goat meat is enjoyed by many in my country, and whenever you have special occasions, you have to have this meat there. Yes, weddings, parties, you know, anniversary celebrations. Usually you have to have your manish water that's also made from goat, but this does not make the manish water soup. This is not a part of it, but this they use to make our curry goat. Stay tuned and see what I do with it. Well, hi there, welcome back. I'm about to cut up 2 medium-sized onions for this recipe. Stalk a scallion. We should use more scallion, but I don't have, and that is exactly why I'm using double amount of onions. Of course, well, let me leave that for later. And of course, some thyme. And our lovely Scotch bonnet pepper. Not a whole one, but enough for right now. And I forgot about the trusted bulb of garlic. To season this goat meat, and here I have a 32 ounce of Better Pack yellow curry. I have some granulated garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, and then I have a teaspoon of pimento powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and also 2 level teaspoons of Lawry's seasoned salt. Those of you who have been watching my videos know that I like to season my meat. I like to put the powdered seasons first, especially the Lawry's salt or the salt. And I'm going to pour that on. And I'm going to get in there and I'm going to rub that meat up. I'm going to rub that in so everything is coated. I'm now adding the natural seasonings. Rub that in. Okay. After you're finished rubbing all of that in, you're going to allow it to sit on the counter for an hour or so. I'm not even sure if we're going to have the time for it to sit that long because it takes a good while to cook. But these kinds of meats usually taste very good. Tastes much better when you allow it to marinate, you know. Let all that nice seasoning get down to the bones, you know. And I usually use a little bit more scallion than what I have, but like they say, you have to turn your on and make fashion. So I didn't have enough scallion, so I just put a little extra onion on it. Alright, it should taste great just the same. So I'll see you back in a little bit after it's marinated and I'm going to put it to cook. Okay? Thank you for watching so far. Use any oil of choice, and you're going to put about a about a tablespoon or a little less of oil in the pot, because the goat meat usually springs a lot of oil. So you have to make sure that you don't put too much oil in the pot, especially those of you who have issues with acne. You don't want to put too much oil in there. You're trying to keep your beautiful skin and you don't want any acne. Don't put too much oil, because these goat meat will spring a lot of oil. Okay, I'm going to add it now. The oil is hot. You guys know that it's going to fry up a little bit like that until I'm ready to, you're going to see what I'm going to do with it, okay? I'm allowing it to fry up some. I'm going to turn it. Move from what's at the bottom to the top. Allow it to fry up as well. Now I'm going to prepare 2 Irish to add to the pot. That's the Irish and I'm putting it in. Because remember, stir that in. You're doing it without the pressure cooker. It takes a very long time. You know, the pressure cooker cuts down the cooking time and makes the bones a little bit softer for you to, you know, chew on. But, so I added the Irish, and now we're going to put the pressure cooker cover on and let it pressure for about 15 minutes or so. At this point, this is what it looks like. See there? Cooking up nicely. We're going to cover it now. We'll put the pressure cooker on, cover on, pressure for about 15 minutes or so. Then we'll be back. Remove the pressure cooker cover after 15-20 minutes of cooking, and it is super soft. Remove the thyme stems and added a little bit more seasoned salt and Larry seasoned salt and some Creole seasoning. So it's done now, guys, and the gravy has thickened up and we are about to plate it. And I'm about to taste it. Close to that point. But let me tell you the main thing. Yeah, God is good. And usually goat meat is served with white rice. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned until the next video. Bye.